Hey there, fellow adventurers. Are you ready to take your aerial photography game to new heights? Today, I'm super excited to share my thoughts on the amazing DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo. This incredible package includes everything you need to capture stunning 4K HDR footage and high-resolution photos from up high, and trust me, it's a total game changer. So, let's dive right in. When you unbox this baby, you'll find that it comes with an extra battery, propellers, a charging hub, and a shoulder bag. That's right, folks, everything you need to elevate your aerial photography experience is already included. I mean, think about it. When was the last time you had to worry about running out of juice or forgetting your spare batteries? With the DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo, that's all taken care of. But what really gets me excited is the extended flight power and efficiency. We're talking up to 114 minutes of total flight time with 3 intelligent batteries. That's a whole lot of hang time. And let me tell you, it makes all the difference when you're out there capturing those perfect shots. The multi-battery charging hub is also a genius feature. Just pop your drone in, and you'll be back in action in no time. Now, I know what you're thinking, what about the camera? My friends, this is where things get really cool. The DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo boasts an advanced gimbal camera that captures stunning 4K HDR video and high-resolution photos. But, here's the thing, it's not just about the specs, it's about how smooth and cinematic those videos turn out. I mean, have you ever shot a drone video that just feels magical? That's what this camera delivers every time. But wait, there's more. The Mini 3 also features smart flight controls and GPS precision, making it ridiculously easy to fly. Just pair it with the DJI RC controller, and you'll be enjoying responsive control, low-latency live view, and seamless integration with the DJI Fly app in no time. And let me tell you, those quick shot modes like Droney and Circle? Total game changers for capturing those perfect social media moments. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, okay, this all sounds great, but what about accessibility? Well, let me tell you, the DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo is designed to be super user-friendly. It's lightweight and foldable, making it easy to toss into a backpack or purse for a spontaneous flight session anywhere you go. One of my favorite features is the included charging hub. Just pop your drone in, charge up, and you're good to go. And the carrying bag? It's like having your own personal gear organizer. You can fit everything from batteries to memory cards to propellers all neatly in one place. But what really gets me excited about this package is the value it offers. When you look at the specs and features, it might seem a little overwhelming, but trust me, every single one of these components is designed to work together seamlessly. And when you factor in the bundle items included, like the micro 64GB card, propellers, and cleaning kit, it's clear that DJI has thought of everything. So, what do I think of the DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo? In a nutshell, it's absolute perfection. With its extended flight power, brilliant camera performance, smart flight controls, and accessibility features, this package is sure to take your aerial photography game to new heights. And with that amazing value for money? Check out the link below to get your hands on this incredible drone kit. I promise you won't be disappointed.